Casey's Customs. In this series, I am building a hot rod truck for under $1,000. In this video, we get some glass installed and we also break some glass. Let's get going. Okay, in the last episode, I got the rubber all put on. Me and my dad fought it for about a half an hour. Couldn't get it in. Didn't know what the hell was going on. I learned afterward that on the Ford rear glasses, you actually put them in from the inside of the cab. Whereas a Chevy goes on from the outside. Pretty much every car I've ever seen goes on from the outside. But anyways, I need to get this rubber put back on here, and then I need to get my rope back on there as well, so that whenever you put it up there, you put one lip over the edge and then you pull a rope around it and it actually, it seals it itself. So I have to do all that. It's a pain in the ass. It's going to take forever. So we're going to time lapse it. But this is not deja vu. You are seeing me do this again because we didn't know what the hell we were doing last time. So let's go. I just purchased a very dangerous tool. It's not dangerous in nature, but it's dangerous for this windshield because this is a glass cutter and I really want to cut this glass. Here's my problem. I watched a YouTube video on it, so now naturally I think I can do it. Two, I have a glass guy in town that cuts windshields. He actually does a really good job. The only problem is, he has already told me usually it takes a couple. Just part of the gig. He's like 80% of the time, it's fine. The last one he did, he needed 3 windshields before he got it right because they just kept cracking. That's upsetting, but he's been doing this shit for 50 years. He's an old guy. I trust him more than myself. The problem is, he's kind of a bitch to get over here to work on stuff. He's had Big Bertha, the GMC, some of you might know. He's had Big Bertha for like 4 months doing the glass on it at his shop, let alone at another shop. So basically, I said all that to say, I want to try and make a cut, and let's just see what happens. I'm not going to cut the whole windshield. I'm just going to cut a corner. Just going to cut a corner and see what happens. I might ruin it, and that's going to really piss me off, because a new windshield is extremely expensive. Not extremely, but I mean, it's like 150 bucks, 200 bucks. This was $20, and it would work fine. I just had to cut about 2.5 inches out of it. Let's see what happens. Fuck it. We're going to cut a corner. We're just going to cut a little corner. We're going to see what happens. It's okay. I'm very nervous. Oh, man, I'm so nervous. Oh, I'm so nervous. Oh, okay. It's okay. Come on. Come on. Be a man. We're strong. Oh, my God. Oh, why would you practice on the windshield? I should find another piece of glass. Do I have another piece of glass? I don't have any other glass. Fuck it. Oh, shit. It doesn't work. Oh my God, did you hear that? Oh my God, it made a cut noise. Is that enough of a cut? Okay. Oh. Now I have to do it on the other side because this is double pane shit. Oh my God, dude, my fucking nerves are shot.
One eternity later.
Fuck, okay. Now, now that it's scribed on both sides, I'm supposed to apply pressure. Now that scares me. I need to figure out what I need to do first. I definitely got it scribed on both sides. The guy on the YouTubes said that I'm good. I broke the surface tension of the glass. I just have to wiggle it now to kind of finish the break. And my butt is so clenched. I mean, whoo! All right. Oh my God, why am I doing this? Why am I doing this? Oh, God, please don't break.
Magic.
Oh, I feel like I'm putting too much pressure. Something's wrong, something's wrong. Something's wrong. Oh, I just watched it break. Oh no. Oh my God. Oh my God. You can watch it break. Oh, that's crazy. I just watched it. I just watched it. Oh, look, 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 look. Oh my God, I wonder if I can get it on camera. This might not work, but see the crack right there? Watch. Oh, did you see it? Did you see it? Did you see it just break? All right, we're gonna go down here. Oh my God. Oh, see it? Walk, 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 walk. Easy, 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 easy. Oh, come on, baby. Just break, you fuck. Oh man, we're so close. Something happened. Why is the corner not break? It just broke. It just broke. Okay, okay. Now, does the bottom broke? I don't know if the bottom's broke. Okay, I need to find out if the bottom's broke. Oh no! Oh no! Okay, okay. Oh God! Oh no! Oh no! We're good. We're good. We did it! Hold on! Hold on! Hold on! I think it's just the plastic holding it now. Oh my God! We did it! Wow! Okay, okay, we can do this. Okay, so here's what we learned. Your two cuts from the top and the bottom really need to match better, because look, mine were off a little bit, so it really got jagged there. It was fine over here, but it wasn't there. So need to work on that. This jagged edge I'm not tripping on, because we're going to cut this again, and also we can sand this. We can do a lot of sanding on these. Some guys that like only have to take like a ½ inch out, they'll just sand the whole ½ inch. It takes forever, but they'll do it. Oh, I thought that was a crack, but that's a permanent marker. Cool, we did it. All right, man. I need to get a poster board and double check my template for my windshield, because I don't want to be cutting this thing too short or cut it too long and have to redo everything. So we held this up here and took some marks. That's kind of just a rough estimate. I don't know exactly where it needs to be. So I'm gonna get some poster board for the next video. We'll make a template of the windshield, see how much it matches up, and then we'll start whittling this thing away. I don't care if I have to cut it in 25 small chunks like this, I'll do it. But apparently once you get your corners flattened out, because you have a double curve in the corner, apparently once you get your corners flattened out, this long cut across is actually supposedly easy. That doesn't make any sense to me, but that's what the guy says online. So this was apparently one of the hardest cuts on the car. Cool. Oh yeah, look, you can even see how much curve it has in it. Just this little corner. Oh, we did it. I'm fucking stoked, baby. So my hood latches finally came in. These have been back ordered for a minute. So I'm gonna throw these on right now. Am I procrastinating from cutting the windshield? Yeah, it still scares me. So we're gonna do this. After this, we're gonna have to cut the damn windshield again. They look pretty good, but they're a little too shiny. So I hit them with some quick paint real fast. But they came out good. You don't really need to latch a flipped hood because it can't, it can't fly open because it goes forward. But these are just a nice little oh shit situation. They'll hold it down. Also, these are nice when you open it, because right now when you open it, you're trying to like, stick your finger in there somewhere and pull up. It's a bitch. Now you can pull those to open it, so it's a little bit nicer that way. Time for arts and crafts. Okay, we got our little template. I saw online guys make a template, and then they can always go back to the template just in case something is off a little bit when they get to cutting, because it's kind of a mess when you get to cutting all this shit. Pretty cool. It actually lines up real well with the first line we made, and like I said, that was inside the pinch weld, so that should have technically been about a ½ inch short, because you need to go a quarter over for the grubber to grab it. It looks about a 1/2 inch. So, worked out pretty good. So, oh, we gotta start cutting some more, and I don't want to yet. Oh, I think I'm gonna install my emblem real quick. Casey's Customs. I love these freaking emblems. These are made by Custom Car Emblems. He can make any emblem you want. If you need them, reach out. He's on Instagram and TikTok and all that good shit. They usually come with tape on the back of them, but this one, he said this one was a mess up. He didn't like this one. He threw this one away. I told him he was a crazy person. I made him send it to me. It's time to cut the glass. Still scares me, but we gotta fucking do it. So, I've got my corners cut as much as I can, and now the glass is only running this way. I can't just start a cut there because it'll want to walk on you, so we have to make the big cut across. I'm not too confident because these were just kind of shattering on me. Now granted, it was like a controlled shatter, you know, it went the way I wanted it to, but I am very nervous about this. I wish I could do this in smaller pieces, but you can't. It's one, it only runs one way, you know, I can't. I really wish I could just come in here, start here, and try and take a chunk out there, but it'll just want to walk that way. If you have a stress point, it wants to go with it. So I can't angle this anymore without fucking that up. So, oh, we gotta do it. We gotta try it. This is the big one. I'm gonna put tape down first. So I've cut this. I have a complete cut. I cannot get it to crack. I've lit it on fire. I've put a lot of pressure on it. I feel like I'm putting way too much pressure, but it just won't crack. And it's really making me nervous. I mean, I'm jamming on it and it won't snap. So I don't know what to do. I'm going to take a little bit of a break, come back, and maybe see if I can't come up with something. Okay, so I found out I need to make this smaller. Instead of trying to take 2 inches out at once, I need to do 1 inch all the way across and then another all the way across. So I just scored it. Let's see what happens. Let's see if we can just break off the inch and then do it again. So nerve-wracking. Look at this. I got all the way done and I picked it up like this to shift it over and it went crack. Oh, fuck. That sucks so much. It's actually cut to the right shape too. I got the rest of it off. For some reason it shattered real bad. I mean, the line was straight. I don't know what the hell happened. I had somebody tell me whenever I started this, don't use an original windshield because they're usually full of microscopic cracks and shit you don't know because it's so old. And I think that might have been what he was talking about because it just shattered. I mean, it was in line, so it's okay. I'll be able to sand it, but look how bad that cut was compared to like my sides. So I think a new windshield probably wouldn't have done that. And it probably wouldn't have done that either. But I think I'm going to try and work with it. I don't know how yet, but I'm too devastated to throw this away. So we're going to try and make this work somehow. But I need to sand it either way. Either way, even if this ends up being junk, I want to sand it because I want to learn how to sand it anyway, just in case I have to do it again. So I need to sand all these shitty edges now. Oh, I wonder if I could glue that maybe? Stick glue in it? Like Safelite does whenever they have a broken window, or whenever they have a chip. I don't know, shit. So I got the glass all sanded. I think I broke the screen, the front screen of my camera. That's cool. So this footage might not even work. Got that all sanded. I hope to never have to do that again. That sucks almost as much as cutting it does, and it takes forever. But it's done. So now we need to get our rubber cut. Where's it at? Oh, there it is. Windshield rubber is obviously too big now because we have chopped this. So I need to cut this in half, actually put it in the channel, and then, you know, wherever it lines up, cut off the excess, and then you have to glue it back together. It actually needs to be in one piece to hold the windshield in right. You can't just cut it, take a foot out, and then put it in there and try and hold the glass. It actually has to be sealed. So we're gonna cut it wherever it ends up being, and then glue the bitch back together. So let's do that. Okay, we got it cut. Ended up being about that much, which makes no sense to me, but that's besides the point. I assumed there's gonna be like a foot I cut out of it, but whatever. Anyways, we're gonna glue it right here. Ah, there we go. Okay, we gotta do this fast because I think I bought the quick sheet. Oh my god, I used way too much. We got it all glued. I'm gonna let it dry for probably a day. It's like 10-minute glue, so it should be fine, but I'm gonna let it sit for the day. And then tomorrow I will throw it on the windshield, and hopefully me and my dad can try and get it in there without breaking it more. I think I did time lapse on this one, but whenever these old windows go in, you really gotta like smack them and like bend them down in the corners. Not bend them, but I mean hit them and push them. And boy, I don't know how that's gonna work when I already have a couple cracks in it. So it's gonna be more for practice than anything. I mean, if this wasn't a damn budget build, I would have just had somebody do all this. But it's the budget build, it's the do-it-yourself build. So we're gonna try it, and if it doesn't crack anymore, I'm cool and I'll run it. Just have a crack over in the passenger side. But if it ends up, you know, just going in 20 pieces, then obviously I'll have to order another one and try it all again. But we'll see what happens tomorrow. Glued. I got the windshield sanded. It's time to put the rubber on, and then we'll try and put it in, see what happens. I'm sick as shit. So we're gonna do this on time lapse because I'm already tired of talking. Well, it's in. It's not in very good. I think the windshield's about 1/8 of an inch too tall because I can't get it in just the rest of the way. Also, half of these cracks that I had kind of got longer. So it was good practice, but we're definitely gonna have to put a different windshield in it whenever it's done. So we gotta start finding a windshield and chop it down. It sucks because it actually looks kind of good, but it doesn't at the same time. So I'm sick. That's a video. Call it a video. Bye. Thank you very much for watching. This was interesting. It also kind of sucked a lot, and it just was a huge time suck. But hopefully our next windshield, we can get it figured out a little bit better, and maybe I'll have my glass guy come over and install it if he can do it for cheap. Stay tuned next episode. We'll see what happens. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, all the good stuff they tell you to do at the end of videos, and check out some more of my other videos. Peace.
Sitting like a boss, bring the workers out. Press on the exhaust, we be skirting now. No, we not the same, what you talking about? Got me all up in your mentions, must have heard around.